Hello everyone, I am Dr. Meera Mishra. Friends, in this lecture I will start Unit 2. In this lecture we will learn the first topic which is measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency. So, measure of central tendency means to compute the averages. So, what is the average? So, friends, the word average is used to describe the characteristics of a group of unequal objects, right, friend? Mathematically, if you want to write, an average is a single number. An average is a single number which can be used to summarize a collection of numerical values, right, friend? So basically average is a single number. So here I discuss friend measure of central tendency through a chart. So I make a one chart so you can easily understand the measure of central tendency. Friends, measure of central tendency are the two types. First one is mathematical average. As I told you, measure of central tendency are using to compute the averages. So first one is mathematical average and second one is positional average. Mathematical average are three types. First one is arithmetic mean. In shortly you can write AM. And second type is geometric mean. So this can be write in shortly GM. And third one is harmonic mean, and in shortly it is write HM, right? And positional average are two types. First one is partition values. And second one type is mode. Partition values are four types. First one is median, quartile, deciles, and percentile. Right? So this is the whole chapter, measure of central tendency. So friends, these are the very important types of averages. Most common averages are mean, median, and mode. So first we will study. First we will learn arithmetic mean. First we will learn mean, median, and mode, and after that we will consider the quartile, deciles, and percentiles. Right. So before starting the mean, median, and mode, uh, before starting the mean, median, mode, let's discuss the series. So friends, series are three types. Because I'm using in whole lecture uh, taking the name of individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. So first first we understand uh, what is the series. So series are, friends, three types. First one is individual series. Individual series, it means कि you have to take the arrangements of row data. Arrangements of raw data. Arrangements of raw data individually. Right? And second one is discrete series. So discrete series means where the frequencies of variable are given, but the variable is without the class interval. It means when frequency with variable are given without class interval. In shortly, you can say frequency with variables, but variables are without the class interval. And third one is continuous. Series. Continuous series means where the frequencies are given along with the value of variable in the form of class interval. It means it is difference between the discrete and continuous series. It's a very slightly difference. In discrete series, we have to take the variable with frequency with variable, and in continuous series we have to take the in place of variable we have to take the class interval. It means frequency with variable of class interval. I mean, in individual series there is no frequency, and in discrete series there is frequency with variables, and in continuous series there is a class interval and given frequency. So these types of series are known as the individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. So now we move on. If you so in individual series you have to take any data like 3, 7, 11, 13, 2, like this one. In discrete series you have variable and frequency, like I have take variable 2, 3, 4 and take a frequency along with the variable 2 is take 1, and this one is take 3, and this one is 2. right? And for continuous series I will take the some class interval like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and corresponding class interval given frequencies like 8, 10, 12, 5, like this one. So you see here I have take the individual raw data, and here I will take variable x and f, and here I will take class interval and frequencies, right? So this is the individual series, discrete series, continuous series. Now move on. First one, most important average is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. As I told you, and shortly we can write AM, arithmetic mean. Frequently it is called mean also. So friends, it is most commonly used measure of central tendency for finding the averages. So now write the properly definition. Arithmetic mean is the sum of all numbers in data set dividing by the quantity of numbers in that set. In other words, if you understand, we add all the numbers or observation together and divide by the number of observation. So the symbol of arithmetic mean is this form, x bar, and this is equal to sum of all numbers divided by, or you can say observations, and number of terms or number of observations, or number of numbers, right? So this is the arithmetic mean. So friends, how to calculate the arithmetic mean in individual series, discrete series, or continuous series? As I told you before, what is the individual series, discrete series, or continuous series? So how to calculate arithmetic mean in arithmetic series, in individual series, discrete series, or continuous series? So here make one chart so you can understand whole easily. Arithmetic series, we are finding the arithmetic mean of all three series. So we know the all three series are individual series, and here I write the discrete series, and this is a continuous series. So friends, in individual series, there are two methods for finding the arithmetic mean. I'm writing here. First one is direct method, and second one is shortcut method. Similarly, for discrete series, there are two methods: direct method and shortcut method. But for continuous series, there are three methods for finding the mean. First one is direct, second one is shortcut, and third one is step deviation method. Right? So these are the methods finding the arithmetic mean from these series. So how to calculate of arithmetic mean in individual series, discrete series and continuous series using these methods. So first I use the direct method. You see direct method are common in all three series. So I will show direct method and taking all three series as an example, so you can learn easily, right? So what is the formula of the direct method? So friends, here I wrote, first I will define the direct method. Direct method. So friend, I will take the individual series. And for direct method, using the same formula, sum of all the numbers and divided by the number of observation or numbers for the individual series. So for individual series, I will take one set of variables. Suppose then we will learn direct method of all three series. So let's take one example for individual series. So take x 3 2 1 5 4. So now add all, so we get summation of x. So 3 2 1 5 4 10 and 15. Here we find 15. So for direct method, I am using the formula x bar equals to summation of x upon n showing the number of observations. So here summation of x is 15 and number of observation is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So here the arithmetic mean is 3 for direct method. Now this is the individual series. Now I am taking the discrete series and showing the direct method. Let's take an example. Let you know the discrete series, there is x and f are given. So I will take x, this is the direct method, this is the individual series. Now I will take the direct method for discrete series. So I will take x 3 2 5 7 and taking the frequency along these variables. Four, 1, 3, 2. Suppose in this one. For discrete method, for discrete series, so given x and f, so first you find fx. So 4 3s are 12, 2, 15, and here 14. Now you add this fx, so value come 43, and here you again add the summation of f. So this value is capital N. So here summation of f is 10. So for this, using the formula x bar equal to summation of fx upon n. N means capital N means total number of frequency. Total of frequency. So here 43 upon 10 comes 4.3. So friends, this is a discrete series. So how to compute the average mean from discrete series? Now this way. Again, taking the continuous series. As you know, the continuous series we have take the in continuous series there is a frequency with class interval. So here I will take the frequency and using the direct method. So here I will take class interval. Class I will take suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40. Right? And taking the frequency, suppose given the frequency is 3, 1, 2, 4. So first, for solving the continuous series, for finding the average arithmetic mean from continuous series, so first you find the midpoint of the class interval. So friends, how to find the midpoint? Midpoint, and take the name of x. So how to find the midpoint? How to find the midpoint? You add both lower limit and upper limit of the class interval and divide by 2. So here you can 0 plus 10 divide by 2, it means 5, 10 plus 20, 30 upon 2 it means 15, 20 plus 30, 50 upon 2 it means 25, and 30 plus 40 by 2 it means 35. So here the midpoint is this one. Now you see here the table x and f, and just like a discrete table. So whenever given the continuous series, first you reduce the continuous series in discrete form and take same method, apply the same method. After that apply the same method. So now find the fx. 5 3 is 15, 15, 50, and this one is 140. Now add summation of f is 220. Or here you add the summation of x, it means 10. Now x bar equal to summation of fx upon summation of f. So here you get 20 upon 10. So value comes 22. Right? So friends, this is the direct method. I'm using the direct method in all three series, individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. Now take the same examples. For finding the arithmetic mean from shortcut method. For using the method of shortcut. Now next method is shortcut method. This method is also known as assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Right, friend? So I have taken same questions and here taking all three series, individual, discrete, and continuous series. So first take the same question for individual series. So in previous I will take, in previous I have taken in previous x 3 2 1 5 4. I have taken this individual series in previous. So friends, for using the shortcut method, so I'm using using the shortcut method, using some steps. So first step is for shortcut method, assume any number as assumed number, right, and denoted by a. This is denoted by a. And second step, we have to find the deviation from assumed mean. We have to find the deviation from assumed mean. So what is the deviation, friend? So deviation means when a particular number is subtracted from all the observation of the series. So this is called the deviation. So friends, here you see I have taken the individual series and then find the deviation. Deviation is x minus a. What is the x? X is the all observations of x, and here I will take a is any number of in this variable. So suppose that I will take 2. So what is come? 3. This is the 3 minus 2, it means 1. 2 minus 2, it means comes 0. 1 minus 2, it means minus 1. And 5 minus 2, it comes 3. And 4 minus 2, it comes 2. Now add this. 5. Now find the arithmetic mean x bar. Using the formula for the shortcut method of the individual series is a plus summation d upon n. N is a number of terms. So here you see a is your 2 and summation d is 5, and this is 5, and this is comes 2 plus 1, it means comes 3. So you see I'm taking the same example because you see you recheck the answer. If you are using the direct method, answer is of this series is comes 3, and if you are using the shortcut method, again answer is 3. So if you use any method, you can find the same answer. So this is the individual series. Now taking the another one, this is the individual series. Now taking this is the individual. Now taking the discrete series. So I have taken before x is 3 2 5 7, and taking the f 4 1 3 2. here I will take this one. Now again in this case I have take assume mean as like, suppose then I have take assume mean is like 3, suppose. So here find the deviation x minus a. So here 3 minus assume mean is, you can write x minus 3. 3 minus 3 it means 0, 2 minus 3 it means 1, 5 minus 3 it means 2, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is the deviation column. Now because this is the discrete, so here we find the FD, column FD. So 4 into 0, 0, 1 minus 1, minus 1, 3 to the 6 and 2 for the 8. Now add this. Sum of the deviation from assumed mean is, this one is 8, 6, 14 and minus, it means 13. And now find this value and it means summation of it is, this one is 10. Now using the formula, here the summation FD upon summation of F. So this is the formula for the discrete series. This is a shortcut method formula for the discrete series. So summation A is your 3, summation FD is 13 upon 10, and this one is comes 1.3. Here is 1.3, so this 3 plus 1.3 it comes 4.3. So this is the discrete series. Now next one is continuous, taking the same continuous series. Take CI class interval. I have taken the 0, 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, and taken the frequencies 3, 1, 2, 4. Now as you know, find the midpoint, means x. Here is, I have find 5, 15, 25 and 35. I find before. And now find, now this is the just like a discrete series, so we are using the shortcut method. So find the, take assume mean. So take the assume mean from here. Suppose that I have taken the assume mean 15 in the midpoint. Now make the column of deviation x minus a. Or here I will take, here I will take x minus a is 15. So now 5 minus 15 it means minus 10, 15 minus 15 0, 25 minus 15 10, 35 minus 15 it means 20. Now again made, find the FD, column of FD. So FD is 3 into minus 10, it means minus 30. This is 0, this is 20 and this is 4 to the 80. Now add, this is 100 minus 30, it means comes 70. Summation of FD is 70, and here summation of F is your 10, and this is your capital F. Now the formula for continuous series, just like same as discrete series, summation of FD A plus summation of FD upon summation of F. So here 15 plus summation of FD is 70 upon 10, it means 15 plus 7, it comes 22. So friends, this is the shortcut method for finding the arithmetic mean from all three series, individual, discrete and continuous series. Now move on next method, step deviation method. Step deviation method. So I told you before, step deviation method is apply on continuous series. So I have taken same question of continuous series. Which one? Continuous series, and question is for class interval. Given class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, and given the frequency is 3, 1, 2, 4. So for solving as it is for shortcut method, so make the midpoint. First make the column of midpoint. Now you know how to find the midpoint. 10 plus 0 upon 2, it means 5, and this one is 15, this one is 25, and this one is 35. Now you know how to find the midpoint. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 of the class interval. Now next column of deviation, this one is your x minus a, or now making the assumed mean. So I am taking again 15 as it is. So this one is x minus 15. So this one is come. What has come? Minus 10, 0, 10, 20. Right? So you can find minus 10, x minus a, 5 minus 15, 10. So you can find this one as it is. Now next column is come. I have to make for continuous series in a step deviation method. Take d dash, and d dash is your d upon I. What is I? Friends, I is a gap between the interval. I means gap between interval. So what is the difference between the interval? 10 minus 0, it means 10. 20 minus 10, it means 10. Here is 10. So using here the 10, so d upon 10. So minus 10 upon 10, it means comes minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now this one is your column. Now next column is make f d dash. Right? So f d dash, this is your columns. F d dash. So f d dash, f is this one and d dash is this one. So this comes minus 3, this one is 0, this one is 2 and this one is 8. Now add this one. Summation of f d dash, it comes 10 minus 3, it means 7. So here comes 7. Now this value, summation f, it is 10. Now the formula of the arithmetic mean of step deviation method. So this one is x bar equals to a plus summation f d dash upon summation f into I, because I am dividing here I, so make the balance, so multiply by I in here. So this one is a is 15 assume mean, summation f d dash comes 7, summation f value is 10 and I is your 10. So this comes 15 plus 7, so value is 22. So you see, when you solve same question same question through direct method, or you can use the shortcut method, or use step deviation method. Answer always same. So this is the all method. So this is all about the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining my class.